everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Extreme Hakeem. Thanks for tuning in and let's rock out, you guys. Alright, so I just reacted to, I didn't even know that Baby Metal and Sabaton had combined and collaborated and made an amazing song. And I'm so glad I caught that Oh Magina. I don't even know if that's how it's pronounced. But anyways, Sabaton just dropped they're very new to me. They're a Swedish power metal band that was requested to me last week, and I listened to Bismarck and a couple of their live songs and reacted to them. And this band, they're epic, man. They like to sing, and all their songs are geared towards the war. And they're straight metal, and it's like straight acts of heroism, fighting, and they're fun to react to. On stage, they have tanks and war type artillery. But anyways, they dropped a video tonight. I can't wait to check it out. The song is Devil Dogs, and it's cool just to listen to this band because they're new to me, but let alone a world premiere just dropped. So Sabaton, oh, they're also coming here to my town. They're coming to Vegas. I think I might go to that concert. Alright, you guys, let's check them out. Subscribe to my channel and keep shouting out the Sabaton songs you guys want me to react to, and let's get it tonight. Let's rock out. Let's mosh. Let's have fun. USA! USA! Oh, he's shouting out the United States. It was probably a tour that they did recently. But anyways, they are coming right back after this coronavirus is done. I really want to get a ticket to that show over on the Strip. Yeah. It was a battle. The deadliest weapon of all. Look at their shows, man. Oh, it was the USA. Man, all the military loves this band, dude. I mean, straight up. I wonder if they have some actual military experience themselves. I'm sure they do. These concerts look epic, and I love the tanks and the fire and... Ooh, let's get it.
Clearing the forest and advance through the trees. It's the end of the war that's in sight. Kill one or two, it's a final breakthrough. It's a key to conquer the battlefield.
Dude, they're on like a submarine. Holy shit! Did you see how many people are at that show? You telling me people don't like this band? No, no one said that. But, dude, they're filling out arenas. Oh my god! Dude, these guys rock, man. I'm so surprised that I never heard of them until just recently. Sabaton. Swedish. Sweden. I didn't know you had bands like this. Anyways, Swedish power metal at its finest. Let's get it.
Come on, you sons of bitches! Do you wanna live?
Come on, you sons of bitches! What's wrong with that girl? I'm sorry, she might have been deaf. that guitar. Oh, I love how he puts that drumstick. They're like dogs of war. This song is epic. You guys, hit that thumbs up. This band, if it didn't make you hit that thumbs up, I don't know what's wrong with you. And what about the lead singer's haircut? Maybe I should do the same. I'm thinking about getting one of them. Straight Fire, what a song. Great drop from Sabaton. That rhymed. Anyways, very fun. I love reacting to this band. You guys keep shouting out more Sabaton songs that you guys want me to react to. It's been a fun night. Baby Metal and Sabaton with a world premiere. Subscribe to my channel, you guys. And I don't need to say it again. I love you. Peace out, guys.